Hi, I'm Brian with Florida Spirit Vacation Homes here in Central Florida. Today, we're at one of our beautiful vacation homes called Frog Sunrise here at Windsor at Westside Resort. And one of the things we're going to talk about today is amenities we can add to our properties to improve our performance on Airbnb and websites like Vrbo. Everyone's noticed that the market's got far more competitive. And one of the things that came to our attention, frankly, from our Airbnb rep and our Vrbo rep was to make sure that we're maximizing the search results and utilizing the amenities to the best of our abilities for our listings. After doing a deep dive and audit, we found we were actually doing extremely well with it, but per Vrbo and Airbnb, a lot of people are not. One of the first things I want to show you is something like a workstation. Even though we are definitely post-pandemic, a lot of people are still traveling and working remote. This was something some time ago that Airbnb recommended to us, and we saw a significant increase in our performances. Airbnb recommended having a separate in-house workstation where if someone in the family, whether it's a student, a college student, whether it's someone on business, somewhere that they can work, set up their laptop, and be separate from all the noise and everything else, not at the kitchen table. And that is an amenity that is searched. For an additional bonus, if possible, we would recommend installing just a basic large monitor someone could hook up their laptop to. What is extremely common nowadays is people are searching for vacation rentals on the major sites, even proprietary sites like Florida Spirits, and they're putting in all the filters that they want to have in a home to weed out potential properties that don't fit their criteria. So they start very specific, and then if nothing comes up they like, they lower the filters and expand their search. In order to give you the best opportunity to get in front of the most number of guests, we strongly again recommend you go in and maximize the amenities your home offers. Another major amenity, of course, is anything pertaining to families and children. In most cases, vacation rentals are still a niche type of market, and people are searching for our product because they have a larger group of people traveling with them, and many times small children. We can't recommend enough to be able to offer a pack and play. It doesn't have to be a full-size crib, but even a pack and play in the house. Like we recommend in the downstairs master bedroom closet, housekeeping and our inspector staff always make sure it's there. The guests have access to this. You can do other amenities, high chairs, different things like that, strollers. However, sleeping and bedding is very, very important to young families. For many people, having a full-size baby crib is not conducive for their vacation rental or the space of their property. What we do recommend, and a lot of people are very comfortable utilizing them on a shorter stay of a week or two on vacation, is an actual pack and play. They're very easy to assemble. There was a time where I was a rock star putting these things together. They do come up and close down very easily. We do recommend keeping them in a master bedroom. In this particular home, we keep them in the downstairs master bedroom closets where housekeeping and our property inspection team can inspect them prior to each guest arrival. The third amenity, particularly here in Central Florida, but most vacation rental destinations, is a functional barbecue grill. In this case, we have a basic 4-burner gas grill system. These are probably about $200 depending where you are located in the country to purchase it. It's something that you want to make sure it's assembled, ready for your guests. In the past, we were even advocates of renting such things, so it was less headache and hassle as you as a homeowner. But we do want to stress, these are much more competitive times, and maximizing your amenities, especially affordable ones, such as a grill, can make a significant difference in your annual bookings. Those were 3 basic, inexpensive tips that we just provided to increase your searchability and the bookings of your vacation rental home. As usual, if you liked the video, please like or subscribe below. Any information you want to share with us, any questions you have, please feel free to contact us directly. We're here to help. Property owners, other management companies, we'd be more than happy to speak to you. Thank you very much.